Good morning, YouTube. Okay, so it is now officially peak week. We are less than 1 week out from our first show of the year, the INBA Arizona Shredder. So I thought it would be fun to take you guys along with me, a full day of eating on prep. Now I'm not gonna do my macro breakdown, but I will give you the calories for every meal, just because right now I'm eating a lot less, especially with peak week. Usually eat a lot more, so that's not what a normal person should eat or what every person who's doing a bikini competition should eat, because your body is all different. Also, I apologize, I just got Invisalign, so I'm trying to make these teeth super straight. And yeah, so first we're gonna start off with fasted. Fasted cardio is basically just doing cardio before you eat any meal. The only thing you can have before fasted is black coffee, water. So if I can't have cream in my coffee, I'm not having coffee. So we're gonna go do fasted and then come back and I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna eat. All right, so we just got back from fasted and I'm gonna make an egg white omelet with some ground turkey, green bell pepper, and some spinach, along with some coffee and creamer, and then also an English muffin. I'm just not sure if I'm gonna put anything on the English muffin yet. I'm so excited. Might turn out more like a scramble. Yeah. Alright, so we have the egg white scramble with ground turkey, spinach, bell peppers, and then I topped it with salsa, and I also seasoned it with Oh My Spice seasoning, English muffin, and of course, some coffee. Cheers. Alright, so it's time for my second meal. It will be my pre-workout meal. I'm gonna go train legs, so I'm gonna get a pretty big meal in me. And I like a variety of foods. So I'm going to make a breakfast burrito and some peanut butter toast. Okay, so I'm just gonna add some Skippy peanut butter to my toast, and unfortunately, I do have to measure it. Measuring peanut butter and cereal should be illegal, but I have to make sure I get the right amount in. So, about that much. So now my eggs are done. It's just eggs, spinach, and Oh My Spice, Oh My Spice spicy fajita, and then I'm gonna top it with Walden Farms Chipotle Ranch. All right, so we've got an egg white burrito and 2 pieces of toast with peanut butter and topped with Flavor God's gingerbread cookie. So this is my pre-workout meal. A lot of people say that bikini competitors don't eat, but I'm sorry, this is a pretty good meal. This is like 2 meals for one. feel like I'm on mime. I just signed 'cause you can't see my face. A lot of people like think that prep is like really strict, which it is, but you can be flexible with your foods. Like I'm not just sitting here eating tilapia and asparagus. Like I'm having a burrito, peanut butter toast. I can have cereal. I can have anything that I want within reason and still feel satisfied. But having to measure cereal and peanut butter is like really depressing. Like no one should have to go through that. No one should have to do that. I hate measuring cereal. The first time I measured cereal, I realized I was probably eating like 10 servings in one sitting.
Oh, Hercules, 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 Hercules.
And I was like, I can only have one serving. So I'm gonna go train legs, and then I'm on track right now for our show, and I don't wanna lose any more weight. I like where I'm at right now. So I don't wanna lose any more weight or any more fat. So I'm gonna have a good post-workout. I'm excited to show you guys what it is. I know what it is because I woke up, my boyfriend was like, we should have this. And I was like, okay, I'm down. Is this like a mukbang? Am I having a mukbang? I feel like I'm having a mukbang right now. This is actually pretty cool. Maybe I should talk more then. So today's Sunday. We leave Thursday for Arizona. It's about a 9-hour drive. Get there Friday, do some work, do a workout, get our tan, get rested up for a competition on Saturday. When I'm on prep, like I study menus. I love looking at menus. I love, like I'm on Yelp every single day. And so I picked out this place and they have sweet potato fries with marshmallow dipping sauce. And it's like two of my favorite things. Okay, so the burrito's done. I saved the best for last. Oh yeah, the cheat meal. Marshmallow dipping sauce and sweet potato fries, like two of my favorite things combined. And then there's like this fig and bruschetta pizza and this like s'mores dessert I'm so excited for. So good. And I don't know what we're gonna have for breakfast. It depends, I guess, on how we're looking, how we did on Saturday. And I don't know. Hard to talk to myself. Well, to a camera. So I've never been a fan of like pizza or donuts, and I don't know why. I can easily go without donuts or pizza. Now flatbreads like Pieology, specialty pizza like BJ's, like I like that. But like basic pizza, no. Like, sorry, you can eat that right in front of me, I'll be completely fine. Same with donuts, because usually donuts like don't fill me up. I think like dough bar donuts, love those. But like, I don't know if like regular donuts are just because I know they're so bad for you that I just don't eat them and I'm fine without them. And like the last like 2 weeks, all I've been watching is like 10,000 calorie cheat day challenges. And all these people are just shoving these beautiful donuts in their face. Excuse me. And now I really want some donuts. I'm like, why have I been missing out my entire life? Like, I mean, I used to have half a donut like growing up in the morning, but it was like a basic like white French cooler or a chocolate long john. But like, I guess I do like fancy donuts. If it's a fancy donut, okay, but I might feel bad like eating a ton of them. I don't know. I like watching people eat them. So I've never been to a Dunkin' Donuts. So after our last competition in Vegas, I really want to go buy a Dunkin' Donuts and see what this is all about, because I don't know, but I really want some fancy donuts. So I have to take a look in Vegas, see what's around there. I'm sure there's lots of good things. But I was on Instagram and I found like some fancy donuts literally up the street from my house. And I was like, I've lived here forever. Like, how have I not known about this? Probably because I haven't really been into donuts, so I haven't like had a reason to go get a donut, because it's not going to keep me full throughout the entire day. after our last competition, the Natural Olympia in Vegas. It's my birthday the following week, so I think my boyfriend and I are gonna go there and probably celebrate both of our birthdays and get some birthday donuts. Maybe try a little bit of each because we don't want to go too crazy. All right, our leg day is done. We killed that leg day. We are in peak week and I just did 3 PRs. Is PR a correct thing if we're just lifting, not CrossFit?
I think so.
I just did 3 PRs on my leg day on the first day of peak week. I have so much energy. I think I'm just pumped for this competition.
I think what it is, the reason why she has so much energy is because we're about to get some pizza. Healthy pizza, but it's pizza.
That is our 3rd meal. We're on our way to get our post-workout and we are getting Pyology. Actually, I think I just want tilapia, like asparagus.
Shut up.
Just kidding. We're getting Pyology. Oh, it's super bright. All right, I will catch you when we get to Pyology. She is in all of her glory. So, I'm going to be able to eat half right now and then half later for my 4th meal. So we have gluten-free crust, vegan cheese, spinach, garlic, cilantro, and a whole lot of chicken. Alright, so I've already placed half in my box so I won't be tempted to eat the full thing, and I have half of my plate, so I'm going to eat this half and then save this for when I get home in about 2.5 hours. Hi guys. Okay, so it is now 8:40 p.m. and I am ready to eat my last meal, and it is the second half of my Pyology. I am so glad that I put half of my pizza into a box in the beginning so I could save some for later, because I could have easily eaten this entire Pyology earlier, but I didn't, and I would have been even more hungry and I would have eaten in my entire amount of carbs earlier and then been starving right now. My stomach would have been growling. So now I'm gonna watch some people eat 10,000 calories in one day while I eat some Pyology, because it's just better when there's food in your mouth and you're watching people shove their mouths with donuts, right? So I have, I can see this, about that much left. And I didn't warm it up, I just left it cold. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this full day of eating prep edition. Now, this video makes prep look not so bad because it's really not. So yeah, I'm gonna enjoy this. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Till next time, bye. Oh, no, I'm back. I also am gonna insert my body update from this morning. I was 110.9. I started this prep at like 116. Still good. I'm still about 11 pounds over what I weighed last year at Natural Olympia.